Here comes the airplane.
Good boy. Yummy. Be careful, Big Sissy.
Okay.
You're spilling. Yummy. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom.
Yum, yum. This cereal smells like French fries.
Good boy.
No wonder you like them. They probably taste like French fries.
It's sweet potatoes, Big Sissy.
I want some of this. Yeah, it really does smell like French fries. I want it now.
Is that yummy? Yeah? Is it good? Ah? Nom, nom,
What's that? Is it?
nom. Oh, what's that? Hmm?
Oh!
Careful, Big Sissy. Hold it. Hold on to the bowl. Eat, baby.
Good boy.
Eat. Good boy.
Wanna see
Look
how,
at that big mouth.
Wanna see how big his mouth is?
Ah. Yay. Clap your hands. Yay. Clap your hands, baby. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Ah!
Ah, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Isaac, here. Nom, 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 nom. Big Sissy, feed him.
Ah!
Yay! Yay! Good boy. Yay! Good boy. You good boy, huh? Yeah.
Me!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Gooey.
Feed him. Let him finish that.
If he doesn't finish, I'll eat it. It's yummy. Isaac,
You like it? It's baby food.
I like baby food. I like his fruit baby food, and I like his snacks, and I like this.
Feed him. Big Sis is taking over your baby
I
food
don't
now.
like the oatmeal cereal or the rice cereal.
Ah,
but
ah,
I like
ah.
this.
Open your mouth. Stop spilling, Big Sissy.
Okay. You're messing up the table. Isaac?
Isaac, eat.
Isaac?
Ah.
Eat your French fries. Isaac? Eat your French.
Isaac.
Stop making bubbles.
Ah. Oh.
Good.
Don't take that off, okay?
You're gonna. No. No.
Uh-oh.
No. What are you? Why don't you like your bib? Why don't you like your bib? No. Put your bib back on. And eat your French fries.
Good boy. Oh.
No.
Uh-oh. He doesn't want his bib
Done.
on.
You're done.
Hey.
Put your bib back on.
Is Big Sissy choking you? Big Sissy, not super tight.
You're done. I'm out of here.
Your mommy will feed you now.